Guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Franklin AJ, and today I'm gonna be reviewing Iextreme 51 action camera accessories. So this, you're gonna use this for your GoPro, your action cameras. And today I have the Iextreme 51 kit. So first, it's gonna come with a case, a carry case. As you can see, a carry case, and it's gonna come with a grip, a floating grip. I think you actually put water in this. So if you put this inside the water, inside the swimming pool, it's gonna float. Guys, you're gonna get a chest strap. A chest strap. As you can see, a chest strap. You're gonna get a selfie stick too, and see how long it is. Still going. Oh, that's all. See how long it is. You're gonna get a selfie stick, and guys, I'm gonna show you what everything looks like. I'm gonna mount the GoPro on it, and I'm gonna show you what they look like. And it's gonna come with a tripod too. This is a tripod. I'm gonna show you what this looks like too. A tripod, you can basically mount it anywhere. And this is a wrist strap. You can just put this on your wrist, and that's all. And guys, this is a I think this is for your head. This is the one you put on your head, and you mount the camera to it. Voila. And I think this is a bike mount. You mount this on your, the handle of your bike. And what else? I don't know how this works, but this is for your helmet. I think you basically mount it on your helmet like this, and it shows your face while you're riding or doing anything you want to do. Like this. You can mount it on your helmet. And guys, there's more. I don't really know what this is. Guys, this is for your car. Guys, keep watching. I'm gonna show you what they look like real life. I'm gonna connect all this. I'm gonna mount the camera on this. Oh, this is hard. Guys, this is for your car. Can you see? You just mount this on your car, and voila. You can start taking car videos for your car. Guys, I recommend you guys to get this. This is very cheap. This is very cheap, and this looks good. This looks very good. Guys, if you want to buy this, you have to go down in my link below, in the link in the description below, and just click it. You're gonna find on Amazon. It says $21 on sale. $21. Alright guys, that's all. I'm gonna show you now. I'm gonna, I have to mount the camera on this, and I'm gonna show you what they look like. I'm gonna start with the selfie stick, and as you can see, I've mounted the GoPro 6 on it. The GoPro Hero 6 on it. And let me show you the view. Guys, like, as you can see, this is what it's gonna look like on the selfie stick. And guys, for the hair strap, I've mounted this. For the hair strap, it's gonna look like this. And let me give you the view of what it's gonna look like. As you can see, extremely portable. So guys, it's gonna look like this. Guys, as you can see, this is what the chest strap is gonna look like, and I'm gonna show you what the view looks like. Guys, as you can see, one reason why I like this mount is because you can basically hang it anywhere you want to hang it. And now I'm gonna shoot. Just like that. You've seen it. So guys, as you can see, I finally mounted the mount, the bike mount on my bike with the camera. So guys, let's go on a ride. Now you can see what this looks like. Give you this crisp look and good view. So looks nice. Guys, as you can see, I've mounted the the GoPro, the cam mount to my car. This is it. Well, there's no lightning in here. Oh, you can see clearly now. So I'm gonna turn this on and I'm gonna show you what it looks like driving. Guys, as you can see, wow, it's really hot. As you can see, it's gonna look like this. It's gonna look like this. So I think this is the last thing I'm gonna do, because you know it's really hot. This is the summer. So guys, I'm done. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please subscribe to my channel. Please, if you have any questions, please comment in the comment below. And please subscribe to my channel. Please like this video. Thank you.